that you can make fast money before December 21st just by making tote bags? Yes, Christmas season, tote bags are selling like crazy. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can cash out before the rush ends. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Igli Gloria. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut tote bags without wastage, how to make a perfect cut that you won't have wasted at all, and you have that perfect tote bag. Yes, to start by folding your fabric. Do not fold it this way. Remember, the length of the fabric is 60 inches. Make sure that when you are buying the fabric, you are buying the fabric that has at least 60 inches. Then you fold it into two. So the folding, you are going to fold it border to border. Let the folding be border to border. Then after folding, the first folding, fold it again into two. Fold it again. Then after that, you have a fold of 4. Using this method, you've calculated the width of the bag already. The width of the bag is already calculated. So when folding it into two equal parts, border to border, fold it in again. You fold it again, making a fold of 4. So right here, the width of the bag is already calculated. The width is determined before cutting your fabric. So make sure that you measure the width, the total width that you want your bags to be. So you fold your bag according to the width. Then what you need to measure is just the height of the bags. So in there, I make use of 18 inches. 18 inches by 15 inches. Please, if you've watched this video to this end, please just hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, hit the like button, share this video, and make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. So the height for a bag right here is 18 inches. After measuring your 18 inches, just bring in your ruler and connect the two lines together. Then in total, we are cutting 2 bags at once. We are cutting 2 bags, then go ahead and cut it out. After cutting it out, go ahead and open the part that is there to be opened. Yes, just open it in that part and you have your 2 bags ready. So I don't want this video to be too long. Shortly after this, I'm going to upload the video of how to sew it. It's a very easy way to, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to stitch it. Then for a handle, here in this video, I make use of 2.5 inches for the wideness of the handle, and I make use of 28 inches for the length of the handle. 2.5 inches by 28 inches. 2.5 inches by 28 inches for our handle. So after marking it, go ahead and cut it out. Then in my next video, I'm going to show you the sewing process. Subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.